How to add a contact manually in System.io. In this video, we will see how to add a contact manually. What you will need: a System.io account, the email address of the contact you want to add. Go to the Contacts tab and click on the contact that appears just below. Number 1 in the image. Next, click on the plus Create Contact button. Number 2 in the image. Fill in the mandatory fields on the contact form. Email. Number 3 in the image. And language. Number 4 in the image. You can associate a tag when you add the contact by checking the desired tag. Number 5 in the image. Then click on Save. Number 6 in the image. Video and help page that may be useful. How to create a tag. Did this answer your question? We do provide onboarding help if you join System.io with our affiliate link. http://tenural.com/review System.io. Find more details on https://helpasystem.io/article/310 how to add a contact manually.